Welcome to Journey by Foot. My name is Dish, and today we have a special video giving thanks to the comments that I've gotten on my previous two videos. The first comment that I want to talk about is an awesome way to roll up your bear line. It was a technique proposed or commented by Michael, as you can see here below, and essentially you wrap it up in a figure eight and you can just throw the line and you don't get any knots. The technique, which takes a little bit of practice, but after a moment or two it'll become muscle memory, is wrap your line around your thumb, wrap it around your pinky, and just wrap it up like a figure eight. And since the line comes out in the same direction that you wrapped it up, you don't get any knots. It was an amazing comment, and I have eliminated the aluminum plate because now I can wrap it up this way with the same amount of time and not be frustrated. So thanks again, Michael. The next comment that I wanted to talk about is the Atalante Cup rehydration system that I've used on quite a few backpacking trips. This plastic the plastic that is used in a Atalante Cup is BPA free, but it's type 1 plastic, which still has a potential to leach other harmful chemicals into the water with prolonged exposure. The definition of prolonged potentially is debatable, but I'm eating out of this for literally 5 months, so better safe than sorry. I am switching out the Atalante Cup for rehydrating my food in an oven that I made for my pot. The cleanup is probably going to be a little bit more frustrating, but since I'm not actually cooking in the pot, it shouldn't stick too bad. So essentially I'll heat up some water, add my food to the water, and let it rehydrate in this insulative oven. I liked having 2 cups previously, one that I could rehydrate my food in, and I actually just drank my coffee or tea out of my pot. It didn't burn my lips because the hot water was typically at a low level, but I'm bringing back a titanium mug, and as I stated in my earlier video, I find it annoying that it burns your lips with hot fluid in it. So to solve that issue, I added a bead of Plasti Dip, which I am not sponsored by, to the top rim, essentially making a lip guard on the titanium mug that is semi-permanent. We'll see if it lasts the entire 2,650 miles, but after applying it, it's pretty durable and dense, so I'm hoping that it will survive. Another issue that I have with having titanium nested inside of titanium is the noise in your backpack of the two clanking together. To solve that issue, I have built a small Reflectix bottom for my mug, and that nests really nicely and eliminates all that noise. So with the 2 modifications to the mug, the Plasti Dip rim and the Reflectix bottom, I've eliminated the 2 major frustrations that I have with titanium mugs, and also eliminated the risk of harmful chemicals being leaching into my food. I want to say thanks again to Michael and Christopher. The last comment I want to talk about is thanking Don for the very thorough review of my West Coast Trail videos, and all of his advice will be incorporated. If you have not checked out my West Coast Trail videos, they are linked to my channel, and it'll be very similar to the way that I film the PCT trail videos. So take a look at those, and thanks again for all the comments. Keep them coming, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and there will be more videos coming shortly. Thanks.